In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to manage user profiles in Zoho CRM. Whether you're new to Zoho or looking to refine your knowledge, this tutorial is designed to guide you through the process smoothly and efficiently. Let's start by logging into Zoho CRM using Google Chrome. Once you've entered your login credentials successfully, you'll find yourself on the dashboard. Here, Zoho provides an overview of your CRM data. But for today's task, we're focusing on the setup of profiles. Navigate your way to the top right corner of the screen and locate the Setup icon. It resembles a little gear, and with just one click, you'll enter a world of customization and configuration options available within Zoho CRM. From here, we're diving into the Users and Control section. This area is your central hub for managing not only profiles, but also user roles and access, ensuring that your CRM operates seamlessly according to your organizational needs. Now, within the Users and Controls section, you'll want to click on Profiles. This section is all about security and personalization. Profiles in Zoho CRM are essentially collections of permissions that define how users interact with your CRM data. They allow you to control access at a granular level, ensuring security and efficiency within your CRM environment. Here you have two main paths. You can choose an existing profile if that suits your needs, or if you have specific requirements, you might want to create a new profile from scratch. Selecting an existing profile is pretty straightforward. Simply click on the profile name to open it. If creating a new profile, find and click the Create New Profile button. This will provide you a blank canvas to define permissions that meet your organizational needs. Once inside a profile, you'll be setting permissions that dictate how users can interact with modules, fields, and records within your CRM. Consider how much access each user needs based on their role. Should they view, create, modify, or delete records? Make sure to think about the balance between operational flexibility and data security. While allowing full access might seem tempting for ease of use, remember that limiting permissions can help enhance security and ensure data integrity. After you've carefully adjusted these settings, don't forget the crucial step, saving your changes. Always double check that your modifications align correctly with your intentions before hitting save. Now your newly tailored or updated profile is ready to be put to use. The final step is assigning these profiles to users. Head back over to the list of users in Zoho CRM and simply select the ones you want to be associated with your configured profiles. Assigning profiles correctly is essential as it directly impacts how users will navigate and interact with the system. With these steps, you've successfully managed user profiles within Zoho.